Welcome, children. Today in EVS 1, we are going to learn about a look inside the body. The heart. There is blood in our body. We take in air when we breathe in. Our blood carries the air to all parts of the body. The food that we eat gets digested. It is again blood that carries the digested part to every particle of the body. For these purposes, it is necessary to keep blood flowing through the blood vessels that spread throughout the body. It is the function of the heart to keep the blood flowing. The heart is an important internal organ. It is in the center of the thoracic cavity, a little to its left. It is slightly bigger than one's fist. The walls of the heart too are flexible. The heart contracts and relaxes alternately without stopping. When it contracts, the blood in the heart is pushed into the blood vessels. At every contraction, it is pushed further and further. A contraction of the heart is called a heartbeat. If you place your hand on the middle of the chest a little to the left, you can feel the throbbing of your heart due to the heartbeats. At the wrist, there is blood vessel that flows very close to the skin. If you place your fingers there, you can feel the heartbeats. This is called feeling the pulse. Lungs. When we breathe in, we take air in through the nose. The internal organs through which this air is supplied to the body are called lungs. We have two lungs. They are situated in the thoracic cavity, one on the right and the other on the left. The heart is between the lungs a little to the left. There, the left lung has a slight depression. The right lung is slightly bigger than the left lung. A pipe-like internal organ carries the air we breathe into the lungs. It is called the windpipe. The windpipe separates into two branches. Each branch is called a bronchus. When we breathe in, the lungs expand a little. That is why our chest swells up when we breathe in. The functions of the heart and the lungs depend on each other. Both these internal organs are very important. They are situated in the thoracic cavity inside a cage made of bones called the rib cage. That is why they are safe and secure. The brain. The brain situated in the cranial cavity is a very important internal organ. It controls all that we do. It is in the brain that we become aware of emotions such as anger, joy, sorrow, etc. The meaning of the information collected by our sensory organs is also understood in the brain. Injury to the brain can make one disabled for life. It can even cause death. Hence, the brain needs to be totally protected. That is the function of the shell or casing formed by the skull around it. Thank you.